Hello everyone, I'm PRM Jason. Right now I'm in Vietnam, Hanoi in the 2026. And today I invite the Chan Chao's Vincent. Hello.
Hello everyone, I'm Vincent from Chan Chao. We are the organizer of the show.
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again.
And we all know this year we moved to a really big, a brand new venues. It's called the Vietnam Exposition Center.
Yes.
And I want to know what made you decide to move at the new location, and can you share more detail behind it?
Sure. Thank you, Jason. We are Chan Chao from Taiwan. We are the organizer of the exhibition. So the main reason that we moved to the new venue, there are only three major reasons. Firstly, the older venue is not capable to the show's growth in the future. So that's why we choose to use VEC as our new venue. It is more closer to the manufacturing hub, Bắc Ninh province, but also it's a larger space for the future growth of the exhibition. And last but not least, it's also closer to the international airport. So it's very convenient and make the business trip more easier for the both international exhibitors and the international buyers.
I want to compare to the last year because I know there are 200 exhibitors and with 9,000 square meter last year. So compared to this one, the big one, may I know the data? Like how many exhibitors are here or anything you want to share?
Yeah. So this year, we're gathering more than 400 exhibitors.
Wow.
And we are occupying 15,000 square meters for the whole show using the Hall 1 and Hall 2 this year. It's a significant increase in terms of show space and also the exhibitors. And next year, we are hoping to using the Hall 3. So it will be another growth for the next edition.
Because this time we only have 2 exhibitions. I think it's really big enough. It's almost like in the Ho Chi Minh cities, right?
Yes, this is our target as well, because we are hoping to shape this exhibition for the Northern Vietnam's iconic platform, so that the North Vietnam and the Southern Vietnam can both have a leading exhibition from our side.
Yes. Another question, I do some research, like the Foxconn, Samsung, and Compal, they all set up a new factory at Hanoi in the north side. So I believe this drive a great growth for the plastic machineries. And as an organizer's view, how do you see this North cluster shape your exhibition in the future?
Yeah, so for plastic sectors, I think Northern Vietnam has attracted a lot of investment in the recent years. And not only from the foreign investors, but also they got the support from the government. And the government has recently invested a lot, especially for the infrastructure, such as high-speed railway, the industrial park, and also they improving the transportation as well. So these are all the advantages to attracting the foreign investor. And not only for the plastic sectors, but also the printing and the packaging sectors. And now, especially for this year, we are including the automation in our new exhibition.
Since I noticed about the shift, there's a 70 exhibitor at here. So do they have any lead or group that helping them in this industrial or in this show?
Yeah, for the first year, we have supported by the 3 Taiwan associations in different sectors, such as the drones and the TITAA and the ESMA. So with this support from the associations, they bring exhibitors and to build a pavilion. And that's why this year we have more Taiwanese exhibitors. This is a good foundation for the first debut. And we hope to attract more exhibitors from other countries as well, and to build a more comprehensive networking.
I can see the Taiwan Select Pavilion, and it's really huge with so many crowded as well.
Yes. At first, we always asking support from the Taiwanese exhibitors so that we can build a Team Taiwan, and then as a team to go overseas to build a more bigger platform.
Thank you. I appreciate for your time. I gained a lot of information from your side.
Thank you, Jason. I hope to see you soon, and hope to see you soon in the Hanoi VEC.
If you like the content, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next interview. See you. Goodbye.